today I thought, why don't I share with you guys my hair care routine. And a bit of a disclaimer, my hair is currently going through an identity crisis because I got keratin done last year on my hair, so it's wearing off now. And as you can see, like, this part of my hair is kind of wavy, kind of frizzy, I don't know, and like the ends of my hair are straight because they still have the treatment on them. And plus I have like high porosity, naturally like wavy hair, so yeah. So before getting into the products, I want to give like the honorable mention to these two hair tools that I have been using. First of all, this bamboo hairbrush, love it. Literally the key for healthy and long hair. It's better to start combing your hair from the bottom. This helps with split ends, and it's really good for your scalp too because it's actually antifungal, and also some people say odor resistant. I don't use it on a daily basis. I don't know if it's odor resistant or not. But and the second thing we have with me is this scalp scrubber. I could go on and on and on about this thing. Number one, it's very, very, very affordable. Like, you can get it anywhere on Shein, Amazon, or any like store at this point. It's so popular, and I've heard if you use it daily for 5 minutes, it's actually really helpful for like hair growth. Stimulates your scalp and helps in like blood flow. Personally, for me, I wasn't using it for like hair growth and stuff. I was using it to prevent any dandruff that I could possibly have, because I know no one likes dandruff, and I think this actually helped my hair with even the little amount of dandruff I had or the product buildup I had. During my shower, when I'm shampooing my hair, I sometimes use this too, and it's really good if you have like long nails and you want to get into your scalp and wash that gunk, all that things that have been living under your scalp. If you want to wash that out, this is really helpful for that too. And a key tip, go slowly and gently. You don't need to be very aggressive with it. You use it like before oiling your hair, it will help your hair oil penetrate so much better. Usually with this, I go in 2 minutes before oiling my hair and 2 minutes after oiling.